We have good news for you on this Friday. A new study finds there's a magic number of steps taken each day that could add years to your life.
Introducing a simple walk into your daily routine.
Walking, walking, walking. Everywhere you look today, walking is being called the best exercise in the world. News anchors talk about it for weight loss. Doctors say it makes you live longer. And the psychologists say it lifts your mood. For me, walking started as a way to fight the back pain from an injury years ago. But very quickly, I hit the wall. Because walking around the same block every day got boring. Too familiar, too predictable. So one day, I tried something different. I decided to walk not for minutes, but for days. To keep going without coming back home. And that's when I discovered Camino de Santiago. And that's when I discovered the walking isn't just to walk in. And the Camino de Santiago, it's definitely not a walk, but it's a whole different story.
7 days ago, I've started walking, and 150 kilometers later, something unexpected is happening. The body hurts, of course, but I'm already starting to experimenting and observing the changes I didn't even know I was looking for. Vamos.
Day 1. Motivation is easy, hunger is real. The first day, leaving Lisbon. Fresh shoes, the light backpack, and too much energy. Every adventure feels possible on day 1, and caffeine helps too. But something surprised me, the hunger. I wasn't running a marathon, but walking 20 plus kilometers lit by my appetite like never before. And that's actually the lesson 1 of walking long distances makes your body demand fuel. And when you eat, it tastes better than ever. Day 2, the power of rhythm. The second day, the novelty is still there, but now you wake up tired from the day before. This is when rhythm starts to matter. Walking is just one foot in front of the other, but when you get into rhythm, 20 kilometers can pass almost without noticing. The Camino taught me, start early, find your rhythm, and the day flows. Day 3. Injury teaches humility. And the day 3 I pushed harder, too hard, and suddenly pain, my ankle screaming, my body aching, and my body asking, what are you doing? This was the day I've learned walking isn't invincible, you can still injure yourself, and humility is the part of the process. Sometimes on the Camino makes you slow down, not because you want, but because you must. Day 4, walking isn't always safe. On day 4, I found myself asking, is walking really a safest exercise? Because that's the day the dog bit me. And in that painful, unexpected moment I realized, walking may be simple, but the world around is not. There will be a risk, surprises, chaos, and the Camino teaches you to deal with what comes, whether it's a dog, the weather, or your own doubts. Day 5 and 6, the routine changes you. By the 5th and 6th day, something subtle happens. Walking stops being an activity, it becomes a life itself. You don't ask, should I walk today? You just walk. And the routine starts to build new habits. Eating differently, sleeping deeper, noticing more. Walking creates transformation not in a single day, but in the rhythm of many days. Day 7. Walking around is still walking. And on the 7th day I laughed, because I realized even though I wasn't working out in the gym, I had already walked 150 kilometers. I wasn't a Greek god, I was Mr. Olympia, I still couldn't bench press my dog, but I was different. I was willing to start, willing to endure, to keep going. And that willingness is more powerful than muscles because it carries you further than you ever imagined. And if you like what we do, subscribe to the channel and share the message of walking everywhere and every time with everybody. Thank you. And what I felt, science confirms. Walking transforms you in 7 surprising ways. Number 1, strengthens your body, keeps your heart, muscles and bones strong. 2, keeps weight in check, burns calories without needing a gym. And 3, boosts energy, makes you feel more awake and less sluggish. 4, clears your head, lowers stress, anxiety and tension. 5, sparks ideas, walking activates creativity. 6, improves sleeps, regular walking makes it easier to rest deeply. And 7, brings peace, walking connects you with nature, others and yourself. So after 7 days, walking wasn't just walking anymore. It wasn't just exercise, it was a teacher. It taught me humility through injury, discipline through rhythm, gratitude through food, and the courage through routine. No, walking won't turn you into a superhero. It won't give you an Olympic medal, but it will give you something more. A stronger body, a clear mind, and a braver heart. Walking is a sport for everybody. It's free, it's simple, and it starts right outside of your door. And once you give it more than 7 days, you realize, like I did, it's not about where you walk, but about who you become while walking. So, the 7 days of walking doesn't just change the body, it shows you what you're capable of, and once you felt it, you can unlearn it. This is why we walk. This is why Camino stays with people long after they return home.
Planning to walk Camino de Santiago but worried you're missing something? Are you on a crossroads in life seeking clarity or a fresh start? What if you could capture every moment of the transformation along the way? I've walked more than 10,000 kilometers around the world, and in my preparation packing list there is one thing I never leave behind. This journal, the journey within. Every Camino has taught me valuable lessons about life's twists and changes. The journey within isn't just another journal. It asks the right questions just at the right time, guiding you through the tough parts of the Camino and helping you to see what really matters.
And it's not just my opinion. Thousands of fellow pilgrims have experienced its magic, as reflected in the brilliant reviews.
Camino is a one-in-a-lifetime experience. Make the most of every moment and get the journal now.